This guy heard a strange noise coming from a hole in the snow, so he decided to crawl inside. The tunnel was incredibly tight, barely wide enough for his body, but he kept going trying to find the source of the sound. As he went deeper, he noticed more narrow passages, and what he saw next almost made him panic. But first, which pet would you want to keep forever? A kitten? Leave a like. A panda? Subscribe. A penguin? Comment. It turned out to be a cat building itself a shelter, but things got worse as ice started falling and they both got stuck.